Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Epic Games' slow update and download speeds. All right, let's begin. First, open the Epic Games launcher and click your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Settings, scroll to Downloads and Installs, and open Download Settings. Find Limit Download Speeds and set all values to 0. Close the window and check your speeds. If it does not help, set the values to 10,000 instead and test again. If the issue continues, fully close Epic Games from the taskbar. Press Windows plus R, type percent local app data percent, and press Enter. Open the Epic Games launcher folder, then Saved. Delete any web cache folders. Next, open Config, then Windows, and open the engine file with Notepad. Remove all text, paste the text exactly like mine, and save. So that's basically how you can fix Epic Games' slow update and download speeds. And that's it for this video. Thanks.